Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all to yet another math online class. In today's class, we shall learn addition of unlike fractions. You can see here today's topic addition of unlike fractions. So let us take one example for addition of unlike fraction. Just see 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7. We have to add these fractions. For that, what we are doing is that we will take an equivalent fraction with the same denominator. We will take an equivalent fraction with the same denominators of this given fraction. So for that, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. So here the fractions are 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7. So let us see how we can find it. So the numbers are 2 upon 3 plus the fractions are 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7. So the first step is to find the LCM of these denominators. So let us find 3 and 7. We go for long division method. 3 is the first factor, so 3 in 3 one time. 7 not divisible, we write 7 as it is. Then we take 7 as the divisor, one time 1. So now we will multiply the prime factors. So here prime factors as the divisor is the product of the divisors is the LCM. Therefore LCM of 3 and 7 is equal to 3 into 7, which is nothing but 21. Now let us see how to find the LCM. See, here we got the LCM of denominators. LCM of 3 and 7 from the previous step we got is equal to 21. That is from the previous step. You can see the calculations here. So LCM, now the fractions are, what are the fractions were? 2 by 3 plus, then what was the next fraction? 1 by 7. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. So let us go for next step. For that, 2 by 3 is the first fraction. We need to get the denominators to be 21. For that, what number is multiplied to get 21 with 3? So that is 3 into 7. So on the numerator also we multiply with 7. So 2 sevens are 14. So the equivalent fraction we obtain 14 by 21. Similarly, 1 by 7 we change. 1 by 7 we need to get the denominator 21. So to get the denominator 21, what number is multiplied? It is 3. Therefore on numerator also we multiply the same number 3. So 1 into 3 we get 3 itself. So the equivalent fraction with the same denominator is 3 upon 21. So in place of 2 by 3 we have 14 by 21. In place of 2 by 3 we replace 14 by 21. We replace 1 by 7 as 3 by 21. So we will get two equivalent fraction with the same denominator. So let us see how to solve it. See here, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7 is our problem. For that we got, in place of 2 by 3 we replace, what we replace? 14 by 21. So we replace 14 by 21 plus, in place of 1 by 7, what is that? What we got the equivalent fraction? That is 3 by 21. So we replace as 3 by 21. Now it becomes, the addition becomes like fraction, addition of like fraction. So like fraction, what we do? We copy the denominator as it is, then we add the numerators. Here the numerators are 14 and 3. So we get 14 plus 3, 17. So final answer is, what we get the final answer? The final answer is 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 upon 21 is the final answer. So let us see another problem. Let us go for another question. So the next question, 2 by 3, 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4, 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Here there are three fractions are there to be added. So we have to find the LCM of these three denominators. What are they? The denominators are, what are the denominators here? 3, 4 and 2. So we will find the LCM of these three denominators such as 3, 4 and 2. Let's find the LCM. We choose 2 first, not 3 not divisible. So we write 3 as it is. 4 into 2 time, 2 into 1 time. Again, one more time we choose 2, then 3 not divisible. 2 into 1 time, 1 time. The next factor we take 3. So 3 into 3, 1, 1, 1. So the LCM of the numbers 3, 4, 2 is the product of these divisors. So the LCM of 3, 4, 2, we get the product. Take the product of the divisors, 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So the LCM is 12. So now let's work on it. Let's do this. So the problem is 2 by 3. 2 by 3, we need to get the denominator to be 12. So 3 to 12, what number is being multiplied with 3? It is 4. So we multiply, numerator also we multiply with 4. So 3 4s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Now the second fraction involved in it, what is the second fraction? Second fraction is 3 by 4. See, 3 by 4. So let's write 3 by 4. 3 by 4. We need to get the denominator 12. 4 becomes 12. How 4 becomes 12? Multiplied by 3. So here numerator also being multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. So we have 9 upon 12. Now what is the third fraction? Third fraction is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2. So how do we get 1 upon 2? The denominator to be 12. So what number is being multiplied with the denominator 2 to becomes 12? 6 is being multiplied. So in numerator also we multiply with 6. So 1 into 6 is 6. So the equivalent fraction of, so we find that the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 is 8 by 12. Equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 is 9 by 12. And equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 is 6 by 12. So we replace these fractions, these unlike fractions, 2 by 3 by 8 by 12, 3 by 4 by 9 by 12, 1 by 2 by 6 by 12. So let's replace it and write. So the problem is, so our question is 2 by 3. What is the question? The question here you see 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So we replace these fractions. So in place of 2 by 3, what was the equivalent form? That is 8 by 12. So 8 by 12 plus, so what is the second fraction? Second fraction is 3 by 12, 3 by 4. So in place of 3 by 4, what is the fraction? Equivalent form 9 by 12. So we write 9 by 12 plus, what is the third fraction? Third fraction is 1 by 2. So we replace 1 by 2 as 6 by 12. Now those unlike fractions have been converted as like fraction with the same denominator. So the denominator here is the LCM of the three given denominators of the three given fraction. Now it is very easy. So since like fractions, we copy down the denominators as it is. So that is 12. Then we add the numerators. What are the numerators? 8 plus 9 plus 6. So as we add the numerators, what is the sum of numerators we get? 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 6, which is 23. So the final answer is 23 by 12. I hope you all understand. So thank you all of you. Have a great day ahead.